Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be kitting up this diamond painting. It's this lovely leopard diamond painting, so I called this Leopard Amongst Flowers. Wow, I got fancy with my naming there. So this is from Everydayecrafts. I did get this as a product review, but on their site it was $10.99. I think it was in dollars, I'm hoping. So this is slightly smaller than a 40 by 50, so it's more of a 35 by 45 with poured glue, round drills that do have DMCs, and there's 24 colors in all. So here is the original image right here. Yeah, this actually looks really, really good on camera. And I was going to do the other one that I unboxed with this, the Hogwarts Castle one, but I did just do another Starry Night kind of picture, so I decided I needed something more colorful. And a lot from the unboxing video, a lot of comments really seem to really like this diamond painting, and I was like, you know, they are right. This is very colorful, and I think this is going to turn out really awesome, and I did choose it for a reason, because I did like the colors in it. So I think I'm going to do this one first. So, and I didn't notice it in the unboxing, but there's a little toucan here. Is it a toucan? And then there's a butterfly here. So yeah, this is the diamond painting gonna kit up today. I'm gonna use the Harbor Freight container since there's only 24 colors and I could fit 24 in here. So I'm gonna move the diamond painting off to the side because I'm afraid of like static coming from it. I did have a viewer comment previously that maybe half the reason I was getting static was I was kitting up directly on top of a piece of plastic, which they're probably completely right. So, because I didn't notice it so much when I was doing like double-sided adhesive canvases because it's not super plasticky, but I figured why not? Maybe I'll move you down a little. I don't like you to be usually that high. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Harbor Freight containers. I did scan the legend and put it on some label paper. So I was planning to do the video about how I make my labels for this kit, but I didn't end up doing it because I ended up getting new labels. So I got these off of Amazon, and I think I got them because I had like a coupon code for it or something, and these were like 20% off. When I last looked, the coupon, by the time I got it, like the coupon code wasn't really there anymore. So, but yeah, this is Amazon's brand of labels, and this is like a full sheet label. And what I liked about it, it's removable. So, removable labels, for whatever reason, is way more expensive than just get whatever label you want. So, so when I saw that was on sale, or not, it wasn't on sale, there was just a coupon code for it, I was like, okay, I have to try this removable label out. And if that works, this is what I was going to use to do my tutorial, and I'm just trying to peel it, see if it really is removable. I mean, it seems removable. But you know, like the real test is like a month from now when I'm actually done with this and I'm kitting it down, right? So, like I said, I scanned this and put it on label sheets, and I was planning to use this as my tutorial on how to make labels. I'll just do it on the next order I get, because I do tend to make the labels all at once for everything that I got in an order, just because it's easier just to do it all at once for me instead of just doing it one by one. So I do scan these, and then I'll just say how I make the labels during the time I'm making my how do I make my labels video. But yeah, no, I was really planning to do it with these ones. Oops, this container is not in the right orientation there. I was planning to do it with this diamond painting, but since I did just get new labels, I wanted to test them out first, before I do my tutorial on perfectly like first time use of the labels kind of thing. But oh, and in case you wondered, before the video I did just get a blade and that's how I cut out these labels instead of doing the cutting. I was testing to see if I could do it with these labels. These labels are a little thinner than the old labels I was using, so I did kind of almost cut through the label paper, but I didn't. So yeah, I was like, okay, the next time I'll do my video on how I make my labels. Alright, so yeah, where's number 1? That's 19. Here's number 1. So let's see, what was I going to talk about? You know, half the problem with making these kit up videos is thinking of what to talk about, and sometimes I think of prior to starting the video, I think of a topic to talk about, and then sometimes I'm just like, let's just wing it. And today, guess what? I'm on the let's just wing it. I'm pondering also is like, do I really need to talk about anything? Maybe it'll be fine with just me talking about the kitting up, and people will still like the video. I don't know. I won't get as many comments if I just talk about the kit up, but that's okay as long as people still enjoy the video. Let's see. But yeah, today, like I said, I'm just winging it. I didn't have anything really to talk about. Yeah, what was I? I could just talk about. But yeah, no, this one, okay, so currently, I am planning to post this, not this week, but the following week. I already have a kit up. So I'm recording this, what day is today? May, man, I really don't know what today is. I should look at my phone. Today is May 16, in case you're wondering, in case this actually does not get posted right away. I'm not planning to post this until next Friday, so not this coming Friday, but the following Friday, because I already have a video of a kitting up for this coming Friday that I recorded last week. So this will be posted whatever the following Friday is. So, but I did want to, I'm almost finished with the current diamond painting I'm doing. So, I wanted to kit something else up because my other whip, I don't feel like doing it. Yeah. So I was like, okay, I need to kit something up that I want to do now. So I was like, okay, what do I want to do? I was gonna do another I was gonna do one of these Everydayecrafts one anyway, since it was my first unboxing from them, and I do like to do at least one project from a company that asked me to do a product review. Okay, and now that I'm actually getting a couple more companies asking me to do the product review, I'm not going to be able to do them all anymore. Like, I want to. I really feel like a product review is not complete until I actually complete the diamond painting, but I just don't think I have the... I'm not that fast of a diamond painter, so I don't think I have the time to finish all of them in a timely manner. So what I think I'm going to just do is do at least one from each company, and then the rest will just go into, unless I really want to do the image. And lots of times I do. See, that's the thing. I order it, even if I am getting it as a product review, I still get to choose what diamond paintings I get. And when it's a new, like, chosen diamond painting, you do kind of want to do them first. But I'm thinking I have a lot of older diamond paintings in my stash, and it might be a good idea to... It's 12K? Yeah, okay, because, yeah, it's brown on here, and it looks a little bit more green on here, and then on the canvas, it does look a little bit like a brown-green. That's the hazards with scanning and printing. They don't... The colors don't always match, but it matches close enough, just making sure. But yeah, I just don't think I have the time to complete them all, so, and I do want to do other projects, so what I think I'm going to do is any company that I do a unboxing for, I will try to do at least one from the company just as my, this is what the company is like, and then the rest will just kind of go into my diamond painting stash. I'm actually thinking of doing one of those like let some sort of like wheel decide which diamond painting to do next. I think I might do that at some point when I'm more done with these, more caught up with these product reviews. I think I might do that. Just have something else tell me which one to do. It's kind of one of those like, you don't know which one you're gonna do next kind of thing. So we'll see. So for now, I do have, okay, so 939 has 3 bags. I don't know if they're all gonna fit. I'm gonna try and see if the 3 bags fit, and if it does, then yay. If not, I do have, I don't know if you can tell, there's still space up here. I put in a little foam roller here just so that it doesn't move. I do have space at the top, and I could get a bigger container or get another Harbor Freight container to put in there. Am I even on screen? Okay. I think it might fit. These were not like super full, so I think it might fit if I kind of just shake it. So it looks like there is a lot of 939 in this one. So I guess the black they decided to use is blue instead of an actual black. Okay. Yeah, there you go. It fits. It's a tight fit, but it fits. Woo! Okay. So I have no idea what I was talking about before, but yeah. See, that's the problem when you wing it. So yeah. Okay, let's just come up with a new topic to talk about. So, okay, so I do really like watching kitting up videos, and if you're watching this, I'm assuming you like kitting up videos too, because thank you for watching my video, and thank you for liking kitting up enough to watch my video. But so I do really like watching kitting up videos. So I often actually just use YouTube search, and then I type in like diamond painting kitting up, and then I check to see what's up there. First, I also check to see if my video pops up, because I'm just that way, just to make sure that my video is showing up in the correct search. And I'm like, yeah, there it is. My video showed up as a kitting up video. Yeah, I just want to make sure I make my video findable as a YouTube channel. So the reason I decided to talk about this is I do randomly click ones that only have a couple views, because that was me before. The ones that randomly only just have a couple views. And then I watch a couple minutes of it, and I decide whether I like this person kitting up. Because, okay, so I like kitting up videos, but I also kind of like it when they're not so chaotic, because there are some people who kit up that are very, I guess, more, to me at least, chaotic in how they kit up, and I can't watch those ones because I don't know why, but there's just like something, yeah, when it's an organization video that's disorganized, it just seems too oxymoronic for me. So then once I do find a kitting up video that is not, that's like this is how I like to kit up, then I would continue watching it. But there was one comment I saw in a video I don't recall whose it was, but they made a comment about like them liking kitting up, and how, yes, I know it's weird, that's what they said. And I'm like, it's not weird. Like, I like kitting up too. If anything, for me, everyone else that doesn't like kitting up is weird. But that's just me. But I just find it funny that people who like kitting up is the one considered weird. Like, why not everyone else, who makes no sense why they don't like kitting up? Wow, so I finished out really quickly. It's only like 15 minutes in. So yeah, I think we shouldn't call the people who like kitting up weird. We're just like the slightly more organized cousins of everyone else who diamond paints, right? We're the organized diamond painters. So since this was such a short video, I think I'm gonna do what I normally do off camera, which is put the tape on the sides of this. This actually does have a really big chunk of glue at the edges. So I'm gonna put my masking tape on it. Like, I normally don't do this as often on poured glue canvases because they don't tend to run over as much, but this one actually ran over a lot more. So I'm gonna put that in there, and then I'll do the edges here. Yeah, no, this one it's a pretty wide amount. So I'm gonna use clear tape for where the legend is, if I can see where the edge of my clear tape is, just so that I can still read the legend. Although I do use my storage container as my legend, I actually barely ever look at this legend. But in case I did want to look at it, I want to still be able to read it. So the clear tape over the legend, and just the masking tape over the rest. Now I'm pondering if I should just make like these ones with just a few colors, make it the norm where I kit up 2 of them, because it just seems like such a short video. But that just shows to me when people like say, oh, kitting up takes too long, and things like that. I'm like, this took me 15 minutes. Sure, it might have, since I already had the labels pre-made, maybe that would have taken a little bit longer, but it doesn't take me that, like, it doesn't take me that long to make the labels, and once you get the hang of it, it doesn't take that long at all. So to spend like 20 minutes to kit up, I don't think is a long time. Because, yeah, I think if you don't kit up nicely, you just kind of take too long looking for a color on the can. Like, it takes too long for you to find the color when you're diamond painting. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I just enjoy kitting up so much that I'm just like, I don't get why people don't like it. But yeah, but what's great is since we all love diamond painting, but yet we're all still very different people. So even people who like the same craft can still be, like I said, very different people. I like it because I actually am not that creative. That's why I like diamond painting. Someone else, I guess, made the patterns for me, and I just have to follow it. And it's very systematic, the whole diamond painting thing. But yeah. Okay, so now I'm really done kitting up. So yeah, there you go. I'm done kitting up. Less than 20 minutes. All right, so I don't know when you'll see the finish of this, but I'm gonna be working on this soon in my own real time. But all right, thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.